Ah, finally it's Saturday. And this means I don't have to deal with those rebellious and disrespectful teenagers in my class. And best of all, what is this?
Good morning, this is Chief Meteorologist Brian Thomas from Channel 7 News. We were just told that a winter storm warning is in effect for GoAnimate City until 2:30 p.m. tomorrow.
Oh, for the love of Pizza Hut. Can I have just one peaceful morning without Mother Nature throwing a tantrum? I am not in the mood to be dealing with this nonsense. Guess I'm going to get my snow shovel.
Hey there, Mr. Wiggles. Isn't this exciting? A snowstorm in August? We ought to both shovel your driveway or watch football in your living room. Don't you agree?
Oh yes, Derek. Nothing is as exciting as shoveling the driveway with the annoying neighbor next door, let alone watch football with him.
So, are you going to invite me into your house to watch some football or shovel your driveway?
No.
Oh, why not? It'll be a lot of fun, and we can both.
Up. I said no.
Oh, dear. Guess I'm going to shovel my driveway and watch football by myself.
Oh, come on. Why is the news anchor being so positive about the situation?
This is Jenny Moonwalk from Eyewitness News 7. And we are tracking a large snowstorm in the local area. Isn't this exciting that we're getting snow in August? Now we can celebrate Christmas 4 months early.
Exciting? You call that exciting? It would be great if you didn't get all excited about a snowstorm in August.
Now remember, we don't recommend that you travel at this time because we may see freeway closures, school might be canceled for the day, and overnight the roads and sidewalks may be slippery. It's like nature doing its own magic trick.
Do you call this nature's magic trick? What next? Are you going to say that thunderstorms are just nature's way of redecorating?
Wonderful, now it's snowing. Time to invite Mr. Wiggles to watch some football with me or shovel our driveways.
Great. Now it's snowing outside. This is just ridiculous.
Hey, is there room for one more?
Hey. Excuse me, I thought I told you that you couldn't come over to my house. Get back to your own house.
But I thought it would be fun if we could both watch football in your living room. I can cook us a turkey dinner for Thanksgiving.
Why can you not get the message? You are annoying and I don't want to watch football with you. First of all, the NFL season hasn't even started. And second of all, Thanksgiving isn't until November. Now, get off of my property and get back to your own.
Oh, can I stay just until it stops snowing?
No.
Why not?
Because you're annoying, and you also act very strange a lot of the time. So, I want you to get off my property and go back to your own house.
Okay, guess I'll go home, and I'll just shovel my own driveway all by myself.
What a weird person. Oh no, now there is more snow coming down, and I'm going to have to shovel my driveway. Oh no.